All right, let's get you started on this color by number order of operations worksheet. It has the cow that you're going to color on the back side. All right. What we're going to do is we're going to practice the ones with exponents together. So remember, I'm going to write myself a little note here to remind myself the order of operations as I work through each equation. We're just going to do the ones with the exponents because we haven't really covered exponents yet. So when I look at this expression, in parentheses, I have 25 minus 15. This is what happens first because grouping is the first operation that we do in order. So I bring down the 7 plus 25 minus 15 is 10 minus 4 squared. Let's line that up a little better so it looks like they belong to each other. There. Okay. So our next operation is exponents. With exponents, you look at the exponent, and we're going to do a little margin work over here. We love margin work. And this is the power of that we're multiplying this base. So we're going to put down 2 power lines because this is a 2. The exponent is a 2. We're going to put 2 power lines, put a multiplication symbol in the middle, and this is our base, and it gets written on the 2 power lines. This tells us how many lines. This tells us what is being multiplied. So 4 times 4 is 16. So this is 16. Bring everything else down. Now, according to order of operations, we move from left to right because addition and subtraction are equal in terms of which one comes first, but we go the direction from left to right, just like you read. So 7 plus 10 is 17 minus 16. So the final answer is 1. So all the ones on the back side, you're going to color pink. Oh, there's a 1. Yeah, looks like that's it. Okay, let's look for some more exponent problems. Okay, so here we have 2 to the 3rd power. So that means this one's going to get 3 power lines. This one is going to get 2 power lines because it's to the 2nd power. All right. Do we have any parentheses, any grouping? No, we do not. So we're going to go ahead and work from left to right on our exponent. So we're going to put down 3 power lines. 1, 2, 3. Put multiplication symbols in between. 2 is our base. That's what's getting multiplied together. 2 times 2 is 4. Times 2 more is 8. So, and bring everything else down. Minus 4 plus 4 plus 3 to the 2nd power. All right, once again, 2 power lines. Because that's a 2, put the 3 on there. We end up with a 9. So we have 8 plus 10 minus 4 plus 4 plus 9. Okay, now we're just going to go from left to right. We have 8 plus 10 is 18 minus 4 plus 4. Oh, that's divided by. I've been bringing down the wrong. Okay, that changes things. We got to go back. The exponents did come before. Sorry, I misread that. I thought that was a plus and it's divided by. Okay. The exponents did come before, but now this is the next operation. So we're going to have 8 plus 10 minus 4 divided by 4 plus 9. So we have 8 plus 10 minus 4 divided by 4 is 1 plus 9. I don't have enough space here. I'm running out of space. All right, 8 plus 10 is, where am I going to write this? I'm gonna move over here. 8 plus 10 minus 1 plus 9. This is 18 minus 1 plus 9. 18 minus 1 is 17 plus 9. I end up with 26. Let's see if I did it right. We'll look at the front side. Oh, yep, there's some 26s here. Good. All right. So this answered brown is 26. Brown is 26. All right. Let's look for some more exponents. Looks like I have 3 more to go. Okay, I'm going to have to write a little smaller because I can't get it all in the space. So I look and I have parentheses, so that happens first. And within the parentheses, I have exponents, so that has to happen absolutely first within the parentheses before we can add it to the 4. So 2 power lines, because it's to the second power. We put the 3 on the power lines, we end up with 9. All right, so 37 minus 9 plus 4 plus 6 divided by 6. So what's my next operation? Parentheses. 37 minus 9 plus 4 is 13 plus 6 divided by 6. Okay, division has to happen next. So we have 37 minus 13 plus 1. So we have 37 minus 13 is what? 24 plus 1. So blue is the number 25. Let's double check the back side, make sure 25 is one of our, yep, we've got a 25, so we're probably right. Here we go again. Whoop, sorry. All right, we have exponents. We have no parentheses, no grouping, but we do have exponents. Let's do it over here on the side. We put down 2 power lines because it's to the power of 2, and this is our base, so we put 3's on there and we have a 9. 3 squared is 9. All right, so let's rewrite the problem. 36 divided by 9 times 2 divided by 2. This dot right here means times. Anytime you see a dot, that means multiplication. All right, so what comes first, division or multiplication? Well, division does, because division and multiplication are equally important in PEMDAS, and so you work from left to right. So here we have 4 times 2 divided by 2. So what do I do next? Multiplication, because I'm still working from left to right because these are equally important. So I have 8 divided by 2, so my final answer is 4. So everywhere on the back side you find a 4, you color it yellow. All right, last one. Here we go. Let's put down our 2 power lines because it's to the second power. Put our base on top. That's 4. 4 times 4 is 16. So, oops, I was supposed to do this first. All right, so we go 19 plus, what's 26 minus 11 is 15 times 3 minus 4 to the second power. We did that already over here, so that's 19 plus 15 times 3 minus 16. So what comes next? 15 times 3. The multiplication is our next, because addition and subtraction don't come before multiplication. So We have 19 plus 45, because 15 times 3 is 45, minus 16. Now we go from left to right because all we have left is addition and subtraction. So 19 plus 45 is like 20 plus 45, which would be 65, but one less, so we have 64 minus 16. And 64 minus 16 is, I can't do it in my head. All right, 64 minus 16, 14. Take away 6 is 8, 5. Take away 1 is 4, so 48. Let's double check that we have 48 on the back side because that's kind of a weird solution. Making sure we did it right. Oh yeah, there's a 48. So yep, we did it right. Okay, so you do the other 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 problems and color it. Nice job.